Mixtapes got a little Hank, little Drake, a little something bumping, thumping on the wheel, right? The mix in our drinks a little stronger than you think, so get a grip, take a sip of that feel, right? Trucks jacked up, flat bills flip back. Yeah, you can find us where the party's at. This is how we roll. We hanging bands.
You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady, you can take my money, you can smoke my blood, scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. Don't touch my V8 with the windows tinted, boy, it came from the bottom, got it out the mud. Whole block cover 'cause the sun stay with me. If they roll up on me, no, I can't watch them. Tell them boys come get me. I be riding through the city. Young rich, no pretty. Homie, don't get it twisted. Get the shit in the finish. Red coat full of finish. My face cold finish. You can drink my liquor, you can call my lady.
She was dressed to kill, I was in my booth, so I had to pay for the uptown time. Yeah, but we talked for a while in a corner booth before closing time. She caught me by surprise. She said, give me a dirt road, the windows down. You wanna get lost on the edge of town in a Chevrolet. She said, give me a six-pack, some Brooks and Dunn. If you want a country girl, you just found one. Let's slip away. Yeah, in a Chevrolet. I think I feel.
Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Hey, baby. Yeah, when I first saw that bikini top on her, she's popping right out of the South Georgia water. Thought, oh, good Lord, she had them long tan legs, couldn't help myself, so I walked up and said, well, baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road